Sometimes we get asked what are the best window options for historic homes in Denver. If you have a historic home and you're looking at replacing the windows, number one best window we recommend using is the Pella Reserve window. With the Pella Reserve window, we get all kinds of customization options. It is an extremely high quality window. It is still affordable. It's at the right price point. When it comes to working on a historic home in Denver, you already know the prices are gonna be high, but guess what? With the Pella Reserve line, you're gonna get ultra high quality without ultra high price. You're actually gonna get an affordable window that's gonna give you all the customization options. Sometimes one of the challenges people have is that they need a high quality wood window that is customized for how the design aesthetic on it looks, and it has to be wood on the exterior. Does that increase your upkeep, your maintenance? Yes, we all know that. But when you're in a historic district, when you're working on a historic home, sometimes your hands are tied, and that's what you got to put back in. So Pella Reserve gives you those options. The good news is Bellwether has a great relationship with Pella. We have a strong partnership. We can come out, get you a wonderful window that is going to help you with that historic restoration. Give Bellwether a call.